Hello everyone, Fatty from Pack Up Punch Traders here again with a video lesson going over the top plays for tomorrow. We got NVTA, actually I'm going to move this over here for you guys. NVTA, KPRX, HLBZ, and MEGL. We got 1, 2, 3 multi-day bounces, and KPRX was a mover from today. And we're just looking for a continuation of the breakout, so let's just get into it. NVTA was a spiker from yesterday, took off, went 300% or so. And here we got a solid red day, pulling back. Now we're just going to wait for it to fail to keep pushing lower, and shorts get triggered to lock in their profits as they're probably up. They're all in the 6s, 7s, maybe some in the 5s. So if it drops a little bit, these people are already up. So if it fails to keep breaking down around the mid 4s, maybe it fakes out and holds 4. Whatever the key level is, looking for the failure to keep pushing lower, and then you get the buying and it takes off. So we got an example of that BNSO today. As we see here, recent runner, taking off, backside, bounce. And how you would want to take it intraday is going over at the high of day. That would be the momentum shift, the ideal entry. And ideally it will be coupled with some strong volume. But that's NVTA, looking for the bounce. Same thing with MEGL. Recent IPO, I believe, if I remember correctly. Yeah, took off and absolutely got destroyed. And here we are hugging 10. So if it keeps holding that, showing some signs of bottoming, it's having a hard time pushing lower. Volume got exhausted yesterday. So this thing might be showing some signs of failure to keep breaking down. And if the buying comes back, it starts breaking to new highs, shorts are going to want to cover. It's a trend reversal on them, and that should fuel the bounce. Next up, HLBZ. So here we got recent push, once more, sub 1, getting to mid 2s. And it did have a little bit of a bounce here on this day, but ended up finishing red, and it just seemed like shorts were still in control. So I'm thinking if it continues to fail to break down, it might trigger another solid bounce. And I believe this one is a low float, sub 1 million, if I remember correctly. It's just the shares outstanding, whatever it is. But it's following the pattern. So keep an eye on it. Heavy selling here, and now it's starting to fade. Having a hard time push lower. On a Friday, shorts might want to cover before heading into the weekend if this isn't working out for them, and might offer some momentum on this. Lastly here, KPRX. We got a little bit of a breakout here over 17 and a half. And decent push today, kind of choppy. Got into 19. Hard time really getting to it. But if it fails to break down, confirm 17, comes back for a high daybreak, that could be something where it could squeeze shorts out to try and fill the gap into the 24, 25 area. The most speculative play I'm looking at is probably this. I'm really liking the multi-day bounces. They've been really good recently. Past couple, this week, 2 or 3 times already made decent money on that pattern. So we'll be focusing on that. It's what's been working. And yeah, we'll just wrap it up there. I'll post a video lesson right now on Twitter. So check us out there at Pack a Punch Traders. Besides that, we'll catch you guys later. Have a great one.